Merry, Merry, Merry Christmas from all of us here at Cup and Joe. We're still rolling out recipes even though it's Christmas. You know what we do in the Caribbean? Last minute, the ham now bacon, Christmas Eve into Christmas morning. So I want to thank the folks at Blue Ribbon for making this one possible. I baked a boneless ham. I've become a fan of the boneless ham, guys, and this boneless picnic ham by Blue Ribbon, so easy to make. And I'm not just, I baked the ham, but I'm going to do a ham dish that you can try on Christmas. I have some garlic that I just sliced, oil, and a little butter that I just want to extract that garlic flavor. So you just allow the slices of garlic there to do its thing in the oil. This is a ham and mushroom pasta. So you take a nice boneless ham, you chop it up, nice big chunks. You have some wonderful mushrooms. Ham and mushrooms kind of go well together for some reason. And I'm going to show you how easy it is to put together a nice tasty pasta dish. So you're going to start to smell the garlic. You don't want it to burn, but you're going to start to smell it. And I'm smelling it. It's just about a minute or two. To that garlic, this is a nice spicy dish. So I have some red pepper flakes. I really just want to infuse the red pepper flakes in with the garlic and the oil and butter. Nice spicy dish. Be liberal. You're really just infusing that flavor in the oil. Very, very important phase of the dish. Yeah, loveliness. While that's happening, mushrooms going in. It's a real nice quick dish. I mean, outside of Christmas time, and I know it's Christmas time, but outside of Christmas time, you have leftover chicken, pork, anything at all. As I said, that's kind of been the theme this season on Cup of Joe. I've really kind of shown you outside of eating ham, lamb, and jam. So you can take it up a notch and do some interesting dishes with your ham, lamb, and jam. Yeah? Mushrooms in there. Seasoning layers, little salt, little pepper, little bit. And then the reason why you know over season because the ham will have some salt content. You know, that lovely salty ham. You get that ham mixed in there. Just needs a couple minutes, guys, just about a minute. Everything kind of coming together very, very quickly. Remember, everything, mushrooms doesn't take long to cook, and then the ham already cooked, so you really just want to get the heat through. And then you can add some pasta. So pasta boils to perfection. You just add that pasta in there. Start to toss all that goodness. The ham, the mushrooms, and most important, guys, the oil. The oil and butter flavor that was extracted, that's the flavor, that's what you want here. You kind of just tossing it together like that, making sure all the ingredients combine nicely. Smell that? I wonder if Marcus smelling that. I hope Marcus smelling that. Little secret ingredient, just to top it off. This is Parmesan cheese. And you want it, but then just last when everything is kind of hot. And for the cheese just to add that little extra layer. It's one of those comfort food dishes. Chefs do a very similar dish. Chefs do a lot of pastas. I've learned that line with chefs over the years. After you see they cook all the food on a night, the simplest thing they do, garlic, red pepper flakes, olive oil, heat it up, salt, pepper, toss pasta, and they're comfortable. That's like a chef dish after service on a night. That's amazing. I added some ham and mushrooms to take it up a notch. Guys, look at this. Ready to plate already there, you know. The only thing you can do, I have some pasta water here. This is another little trick. So if it's too dry for you, you can just add a little pasta water. That pasta water has a lovely flavor. It's when you drain the pasta, keep back some water because that starchiness in that pasta water that is my first recipe rolling out on this Christmas weekend. I just want to take a little bit of that. Make sure I get some ham and mushrooms in there. And that's it, guys. Final touch on this. I have some basil. I just want to give a very quick julienne, very fine chop. So, another julienne. Give it a little proper chop. I really, you just want to. And we can be friends this Christmas.